So I need a delete request built or delete API endpoint built for this web administration application that I'm building. So I'm going to see if I actually remember even how to do this. So let's see, for the controller. For the controller, we are going to user prompt controller. Okay, so this is where I'm going to put my endpoint, and it's going to have to talk to the service. Service is going to have to talk to the repo. So we're going to do a cross origin. Oh, we need that. We'll just do a delete mapping. Okay, and that's going to be /remove user. Am I on the right? I am on the wrong. Okay, yes, this is not the right file. It's not this backend. This is for a different backend. I need this backend. New window. I should have did this window. Okay. User controller. There we go. So now I need a add delete mapping. And we're going to put this at /remove user, like the method public, and it's going to return nothing, so void. And what are we doing? Delete or remove user. We're not going to send it any request body, so that should be good. Are we going to send a request body? We need to send it a user, right? Because it needs to know what to find from the database and remove. So I'm going to assume that you usually don't send a request body and delete request. But at the same time, I still need to know what user is going to be deleted. So how would I know what user is going to be deleted if I don't send it any type of body? So I'd have to at least delete by like an ID or something like that, or an email address. So what are we gonna send it? We're probably gonna send like an email address, maybe. I'm not sure at this point. How am I gonna do this? So let's go look at my model. So I'm thinking, how would I delete a user? Am I going to send the service anything? I don't know. Let's go. Let's see. So we're gonna call the service. So remove user, not that one. Server service, user model service dot. Well, I don't even have it in the service. So let's go to the service and see what the repo is going to get us. So we're going to do a public void delete user, and what we're going to do is going to call the repo user model repo dot delete all. Oh, there we go. So it's going to take an entity, which is going to be my user model. So I am going to send it a model. There we go. So that's great. So we're going to go ahead and say this right here is going to take a user model, user. And if we're going to delete the user that we send it, and we're going to send a response back. Not a response back. We're just going to print out user was removed. And now I can go back to my repo model, not my model. Model here. Go back to controller. Go back to here so I can do user model. Well, actually, we need to put in this right here. So we're actually going to send a request body, I believe, which is going to be a user model, which is going to be a user, and we're going to delete user from the service, pass that user into there like that, and I believe that should be it. And I'll do an S out. I really need to look into logs, maybe like, I think it's called log4j or something like that. I need to figure out logs so I don't continue doing this system.out. User has been removed. Okay, so in this sense, it's going to send a user and it's going to find that user and delete that user. Let's see if this works. So I'm going to start my server. My server has been started, 8080, and I have a front end. Front end is using WebStorm. Yeah, WebStorm. Not this file. We're going to open Debugger Buddies and use this window. And I can do an npm run dev there to get the front end server running, 5173. And I should be able to add a new user now. So Leo Penrose, L Penrose at gmail.com, 123. My role is an admin, and I should hit save. And I should have been added to that database. So let me just use Postman, no, Insomnia. Okay, we got Insomnia loading up, and create new user, get all users, hit send. I am in there right now, and so now I want to try to delete a user. HTTP request, and we're going to use delete, and let's copy this API endpoint, and I believe it was remove user, and I think we have to send it some JSON, and I will just send it what it sent me, not that one. Send it what it sent me, and let's see, go to my back end right here. Cool, I'll just move this over. And oh, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to actually Insomnia. That over there. Cool. So it returned all users. So when I hit delete, I should see a log there letting me know that it's been removed. Hopefully, cross my fingers. Yep, says user was removed. User has been removed. 200 okay. And now when I check my Git, it should not return anyone in there. It's gone empty list. And so that was it for building that API. What I would do next is implement the form here. I already have it on Figma. I'm probably going to try to figure out how I can delete by just an email address. So I'll figure that out. I don't know. I think I can actually do it by here. Yeah, I gotta figure that out, how to remove user by email address. So, but I think this will actually give me what I need for now.